Hello and most welcome to a new video of Joy Bangla. So today also I have brought some new collections of sarees, and today's my first collection is Toshor Jamdani. So we are very familiar with Toshor, and Toshor is a very famous saree of Bengal because it is like available in any like traditional functions, any festival people like to wear Toshor, especially Tat, but this is not Tat. This is handloom and there is silky work all over the body. Okay, so there is the pallu. Y'all can see the pallu properly, and here is the whole look. If you visit my website, y'all would be able to see this thing more properly in the catalog which is available, and here you all can see the design. Okay, so here is a broad border which is also available, and the design is actually going in leafy work all over the body. Okay, so along with this, as you all know, I say that I make handmade jewelry. So this handmade jewelry is available, and this is a little bit expensive. And along with this, I have this jhumka which is available. Okay, so these are real Kodis, and you all can see this thing. This is real German silver. So, and the most important thing is this is real beads. Okay, I hope so you all like these jewelries, and here goes the whole look of my jewelry, and here goes the whole look of my sari. Along with that, these are also handmade bangles, and I am going to introduce them very soon at my website. You all would be notified soon. So I have one more color available in this Toshor sorry. So this is in baby pink color. This is a very wanted color, and here the design is a little bit different, but the quality of the sari is same because here you will get floral work of silver zari, and here there is leafy work which is available. So I hope so you all are able to see the difference. Okay, but the color is very pretty, and here you all can see that there is a guti work that will go all over the body, and these are big gutis which will be available. Okay, so I'll show one more very interesting sari today. I hope so you all have seen this earlier also at my website, and this is also Bangalore silk, and here the color goes like this. This is in dark green color with a very nice border, the silver zari work which is available all over the body. This is the whole look. Just look at the border, how the border is in floral leafy nature. Okay, and I want to show you all the pallu portion because the pallu portion is very nice. Okay, so here goes the whole look, and this is available at my website also. You can visit my website. There you all would be able to see this thing properly. Here goes the whole color, silver gooties which will be present, and here this is the pallu portion. You will get a blouse piece also which is available along with that. So today again I am going to show you all pashminas. Pashminas are very much wanted sarees, most wanted sarees nowadays in market. So earlier also I have shown you all those pashminas in my earlier videos. Again I'm going to show you all the pashminas because many people love these sarees because of its very famous floral work and soft nature, soft texture. You all can see how much soft this is. Here is the pallu portion, and this is in off-white color. So I have two more colors which are available in my pashmina, that is orange color. I have shown this color earlier also. This is also in leafy texture, and designs are also in leafy designs, and this is basically available in one more color, that is red. Just look at this saree. Okay, these are also available in my floral nature, floral texture. So today again I am going to show some of my handmade jewelries, and these are very famous sarees. You can see this Toshor silk, how much this saree is soft too. Okay, so I'll show one by one. Today my most important collection is going to be in beads. You all can see. So these are basically made up of my real beads. Okay, these beads I'm talking about. So these will look good if you wear them with regular wear sarees, or you can wear them with kurtas. Here goes the whole length, and as I always say that I am going to provide laces at the back during the time of packaging if you order them. because I'm not I never show the laces or any kind of hooks over here during the video, so you all can refer to my past videos also for this. So this is in pink color, this here you get this in purple color, this is in green color, and here this is in a very light shade of blue, this is in purple, this is in like sky blue, and this one is in dark pink color. So I have full lots and lots sets of colors. Now I have one more design which is available with us right now. So this one is also a bead necklace set. I hope so this is visible properly. Okay, so this is made up of real German silver and this is made up of real beads. So these many colors we have. This is in blue, this one is in very light skin color. Okay, this was in light pink color, this is in dark pink color, this is again in like in between light pink and dark pink color. So I hope so my jewelries like are nice and you all are enjoying the jewelries. Okay, if you all want to know more about my jewelries, you all can visit my website, and I have one more collection to show. That is, this is the last one for today. This one you all can see. Okay, so these are made up of German silver. These are real beads, as I always say. You all can refer to my website in order to know more about my jewelries, my saris. Once again, this was the sari for the day. Okay, you all can see this thing. Here is the whole look. I hope so. The look is nice. You all like my sari, and if you all like my saris, again I am saying you all can visit my website, that is joybangla94.wordpress.com, or you all can visit my website for my handmade jewelry, that is gohanatree.wordpress.com. So that's all for today. This was all for today, and if you all like my handmade bangles, you should mention your size, and size should be in as per as the Indian size order, because we deliver all over India as well as internationally also. If you all like my sarees or my handmade jewelry, you all can contact us at my WhatsApp number given below, or DM me at my Facebook account, or visit our official YouTube channel, and there you all can comment me in order to know anything if you all want regarding these videos. So that's all for today. I hope you all like my collections. I'm going to bring more interesting things henceforth. Thank you and stay safe till then.